Hello everyone. So in this video we will be solving a new problem which is find the duplicate number. LeetCode 287 problem. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is said that we were given an array of integers nums containing n plus 1 integers where each integer is in the range of 1 to n inclusive. Okay. So it is the inclusive bracket. Okay. So there is only one repeated number in nums, return the repeated number. Okay. You must solve the problem without modifying the array nums and uses only the constant extra space. Okay, we have to use the constant extra space. So let's take an example. If array is this one, actually the problem is basically saying is there are n elements like n elements and one element is duplicate. As you can see here, there is only one repeated number in nums and that number we have to return. So let's see the example 13422. As you can see here 2 is repeating, so that's why we return 2. Here 3 is repeating in this array, so because 3 is coming 2 times, 1 is coming only 1 time, but 4 is coming only 1 time, 2 is coming only 1 time, so 3 is repeating, that's why we will return 3. And here also 3 is repeating again and again, so that's why we will return 3. So the first technique that comes in our mind is we can firstly sort this. We can firstly sort this whole array. After sorting, the our array will be like 1 2 2 3 4 1 2 2. I am taking this example. After sorting, our array will be like 1 2 2 3 4. Then I can apply a loop for int I equals to 0 to I less than n up to I plus plus. Then I can check if nums of I equals to nums of I plus 1. In that case, I will return nums of I. Otherwise, I can return minus 1. So let's say do this first technique. First approach is I will sort this sort of nums, sorry, dot begin comma nums dot end. Now I can apply a loop for int I equals to, sorry, I equals to 0 to I less than nums dot size and I plus plus, and now I can check if nums of I equals to nums of I plus 1. If that condition is hold, means that condition is holding, that in that case means nums of I equals to nums of I plus 1 is showing that character is that element is repeating. So in that case I can return simply nums of I. And if it will not occur, actually there will be a one, definitely one repeated number, but if in case where the repeated number is not there, so in that case I will return minus 1. So let's run this and see if this will work or not. Definitely it will work, but let's see. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is working perfect as you can see here. Okay. So yeah, so this was the first technique to solve this problem. So let's comment out this and do the second technique. So second approach will be like, actually we have to check here key how many times this number is, this element is occurring. Here as you can see, 1 is occurring only one time, 3 is occurring only one time, 4 is occurring only one time, and 2 is occurring only two times. 2 is occurring two times actually. So it means 2 is occurring two times. It means that number is repeating. So in that case, what I can do is I can store the frequencies of each element, and then I can check if the frequency of particular element is greater than 1. In if the frequency is of particular element is greater than 1, in that case I can return that particular character. Otherwise I can return minus 1. So let's do this. So I have to store the frequencies of each character. In that case I can use an order map of integer comma integer type mp. Now I can apply a loop for int I equals to 0 to store the frequencies of each character. So I less than nums dot size and then I plus 1, and now I can write a map of nums of I plus plus. By using this I have stored the frequencies of each character. So I am storing the frequency frequency of each number. So एक हर एक नंबर की मैंने फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टोर करा ली है. नाउ आई कैन अप्लाई a loop on map. So for auto IT belongs to map. अब मैं मैप को ट्रेवर्स कर रहा हूँ. Map dot first is showing the number like 1. Map dot second is showing the frequency of that particular number. Like here, if I store the frequency of 2, so 2 is coming 2 times. So 2 is the number that is map dot first, means IT dot first actually here, because I am using a iterator. So I will write IT dot first is a number, and IT dot sorry, second is a frequency of that particular number. So done. It means like 1 is coming only. Here is the IT dot first, here is the IT dot second, here is the IT dot first, here is the IT dot second. 1 is coming only one time, 3 is coming only one time, 4 is coming only one time, and 2 is coming only two times. So, and if we take the example of this, 3 is coming 5 times. Example 3 is coming 5 times, means 3 is the IT dot first, and 5 times is the 5 is the frequency, that is IT dot second. So now I can check if IT dot second is greater than 1. It means the frequency of particular character is greater than 1. In that case, I can return IT dot first, that number. And otherwise, if the all elements are distinct, it means the frequencies of each element is 1. So in that case, I can return -1. It means there is no element, no duplicate element actually. So let's run this. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. So as you can see here, it is working perfect. So here we have seen two techniques to approach this problem. First technique is like firstly we have to sort in this array, and now I can apply a loop and I check if nums of I equals to nums of I plus 1. In that case, I can return nums of I. If if the case can occur like if all elements of the nums array are distinct. Here we have given that there will be a one repeated element definitely, but in that case like all elements of the array are distinct, that in that case I can return -1. So let's see this another technique. We are using another map to store the frequencies of each character, like character solid element, and I'm storing the frequencies of each element. Now I can traverse the map, and here as you can see map dot first is showing the number, and map dot second, it means IT dot second is showing the frequencies of that particular number. And I can check here frequency is greater than 1 or not. For a particular number, frequency is greater than 1 or not. If frequency of greater than 1, in that case I can return my IT dot first is means that particular number, and otherwise I can return -1. So this was the complete code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. तब तक के लिए bye.